All right, time to start reviewing these laws. Remember the product law? If the bases are the same and these guys are multiplied together, all you have to do is add the exponents. Okay, so take a look at the first one. Real simple, but now we're going to throw the negative exponents in there. We're going to throw fractional exponents in there. We're going to give it that Math 10C twist. Okay, here we go. Are the bases the same? Yes. Is this multiplication? Yes. So 2 to the negative 3 plus 5 then is 2 to the 2. That's it. Now, I'm going to leave these as exponents. I'm not going to evaluate them, right? Just leave them as exponents. Look at the next one. Are the bases the same? Yes. Is it multiplication? Yes. So then this is 0.8, right? This is 2 plus negative 7, which works out to be 0.8 to the negative 5. Now, be careful because they don't like that. They don't like negative exponents, and you're going to be asked to flip this back to where it was. Well, we did this section already, so let's just go out and do this. Remember, this is 8/10, right, to one decimal place, which is actually 4/5. So 4/5 to the negative 5. Flip it, change the sign. This becomes 5/4 to the positive 5. Now you can leave it like that, or sometimes they may actually ask you to do and expand this a little bit more. So this would be 5 to the 5, 4 to the 5. Upstairs, downstairs, mailman. But you know what? For right now, I think that's just fine the way it is. Read the question, give them what they want. Okay, next one. Take a look at this next question, which is right here. This next question is, oh, are the bases the same? Yeah, they're both x. So x to the 1.5 plus 3.5. You're multiplying, right? Right there's multiplication. Okay, add these together. So this will be x to the 5. Look at that. 3.5 and 1.5 is 5. X to the 5. You're done. Next question. See how it works? Real super simple. Look at this one. Now we're starting to get a little bit more complicated. So what? Right? Just go out and do this. Are the bases the same? They are the same. Negative 3 over 2. Then add the exponents. Negative 4 plus 6 works out to be, guess what? Negative 3 over 2 to the power of 2. Done. Leave it. That's it. Okay, but what happens if you got two of these guys, this guy, and look, underneath here, you got n and n here. Oh, so what? All you can do is combine the exponents of the like basis. Every one of these bases, if you look back at these questions, every one of these bases were the same. Look, that's the same. Those are the same. Those are the same. Those are the same. That just means that you're going to combine the exponents of the like basis. So let's look at m first. M is m to the 4 plus 2. And look at n now. N is negative 2 plus 3. Why are we adding? Because remember, right there, good old multiply. Okay, so let's finish this off. M to the 4 plus 2 is m to the 6. N to the negative 2 plus 3 is n to the 1. And we could just leave this as m6n. That's it. That's done. Okay, so let's make this even a little bit tougher. Yee, look at, oh boy, this is ugly. No, it's not. Come on, look, this is x to the 3, x to the negative 1. So, okay, x to the 3 plus negative 1, combining the exponents of the like basis. Now, we're going to do the same thing to the y's. Look at the y's. This is y to the negative 3 over 2 plus 1/2. Look how easy this becomes. Oh my goodness, this is actually a lot of fun. Here, let's go. I'm going to just extend this page a little bit. Here we go. Check this out. X to the 3 minus 1 is x squared times, okay, let's do the y one now. Oh, look at this. Common denominators. Oh, that's easy. All you have to do is add them. So this is y, common denominator being 2. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Oh my goodness, isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? What's negative 2 over 2? Well, negative 2 over 2 is, if you remember, is y to the negative 1. What does that mean? Remember, that -1 exponent is only attached to the y. It is not attached to the x squared. So that means you're going to flip it, change the sign. Okay, so this becomes x squared, and this guy, flip it, change the sign. Remember, it's over 1. Flip it is 1 over y to the 1. Oh, interesting. Now, what does this mean? All you have to do, surprisingly enough, is straight across multiply. This is x squared. This is over y to the 1, or just plain old y. Huh? Is there an easier way of looking at this? Yes. Okay, take a look at this guy again. We're going to go from here. Okay, so you got your x squared times your y to the -2 over 2. You see it? Okay, so clean this up. This becomes x squared times y to the -1. Only flipping this guy. But think about what happens when you flip something. All you're going to do is you're going to put it in the denominator. That's it. So take this guy right here, flip it, and put it in the denominator. X squared over y to the 1, or just plain old y, which is exactly what I got right here. Kind of a new way of looking at things, isn't it?